students, now let us see the next point of this lesson on the offensive against the Mughals. After returning from Agra, immediately Maharaj did not want away conflict with the Mughals, but he prepared comprehensive plan to recapture the forts and territories given to the Mughals by the Treaty of Purandar. He sent a well-equipped army to capture the forts. The Mughals were destabilized by Maharaj invading the territories in Deccan under their control. He recaptured several forts such as Sinhagad, Purandar, Lohagad, Mahuli, Karnala, and Rohida, one after other. Then Maharaj attacked Surat for a second time. While returning from Surat, he fought a great battle with the Mughals at Vani Dindori in Nashik district. Maharaj defeated the Mughal Sardar Daud Khan in the great battle. After that, Moropant Pingle captured Trimbakgad near Nashik. Thus, Shivaji Maharaj was successful in the offensive that he had launched against the Mughal Sardars such as Tanaji Malusare, Moropant Pingle, Prataprao Gujar made a valuable contribution in this offensive. So, Krishnaji Anant Sabhasad, a contemporary chronicler, thus describes the campaign. He took as many as 27 forts in 4 months and earned a great reputation for himself. Means Maharaj captured as many as 27 forts within 4 months. Now let us see the coronation ceremony. With a view to gain general recognition to the Swaraj as a sovereign independent state, Shivaji Maharaj coronated himself on 6 June 1674 at Raigad. Gaga Bhatta formally crowned Shivaji Maharaj and thereby he became the Chhatrapati of Swaraj. To celebrate the occasion, Rajyabhishek Shaka, the coronation era was started. Special coins, hone of gold and Shivrai of copper were minted. So, Rajya Vyavhar Kosh showing Sanskrit alternative for Persian words was prepared. The coronation of Shivaji Maharaj was a revolutionary event in the history medieval India. Along with Vedic ritual, Tantric ritual coronation was performed on 24th September 1674 by Gosavi of Nishchalpuri. Now see here some equivalent words in the Rajya Vyavhar Kosh are worth mentioning. For example, Kitab means Padvi, Farman, Rajpatra, Jamin, Pratibhuti, Hali, Samprat, Maji, Purva, Filhal, Tatkal, Vava, Uttam, Vakup, Pradnya, Bevakup, Mood, Dastaposhi, Hastasparsha, Mulakhat, Darshan, Kadamposhi, Padasparsha, झूठ मिथ्या कौलनामा अभय फतेह विजय फिरियाद अन्याय वार्ता शिलेदार स्वस्तुर्गी. Now see the last point of this lesson, the campaign of the South. 3 years after the coronation in October 1677, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj undertook a campaign of the South. He went to Golconda. There he called on the Qutub Shah. He entered into treaty of friendship with him. Later Maharaj won Bengaluru. Then Hoskote in Karnataka, Jinji, Vellore forts In today's Tamil Nadu and some other territories of Adil Shah, he appointed Raghunath Narayan Hanumante, the chief administrator, to look after these conquer territories. Now, however, he failed to enlist cooperation of his half brother Venkoji, ruler of Tanjavur, in the work of Swaraj. He annexed fort of Jinji in Tamil Nadu, which proved of great importance when he had to leave Maharashtra for safety reason. Soon after the victorious campaign of the south, Shivaji Maharaj passed away on Raigad on 3rd April 1680. His death at the age of 50 was a great loss of Swaraj. A great era came to be end. Now our lesson is completed. You should solve textbook exercise of this lesson. Thank you.